walkthrough here. This is our before walkthrough. This house is in Cartersville, Georgia, and it's a post-construction cleaning. You can see there's still some work to be done in here. This is the master bedroom. That fan is a little dirty. I don't know what we're going to do about that. I'll have to see. Here's the master bath. They still haven't put the mirror in, but and the faucets not here, but we'll clean this up as best as we can. The tub here, pretty nasty. And this is the master shower. Needs some work. It looks like there's some construction debris, maybe still some soap scum. They have, this is the closet, the master closet. It's a pretty nice sized closet, and it's got a window. We're gonna do all the windows here too. And this is the toilet closet. The toilet looks pretty gross. Sorry, I know that's a, uh-oh. I'll have to check that. There's no water running there. So let's see. That's the master. This is a coat closet here. Then we got the dining room. There's a new lamp there. And the great room with a fireplace and a pretty view of their backyard. Here's the informal dining room. And the kitchen, you can see the kitchen's really very, very dusty. And the refrigerator's got some dust and stuff on it too. Trying to get the oven clean. I hope it's working. It looks like it and it feels like it, so we wouldn't have to scrub that. Here's another bedroom. They just put carpets in yesterday. So the carpets are nice and clean. We'll just touch them up with a vacuum. And hold on one second. Here's another bedroom. Here. Okay, I had her turn the music off. I hope I don't get a copyright strike. And then they're calling this a bonus room. So we're gonna go up these stairs. You're gonna meet Tasha here in a minute. She's helping me.
Oh, you doing it? Hey.
Hey, wait, turn around, Tasha, so they can see you.
Okay.
Say hi. Hi. Look at her, and she cute with her gloves. She's doing this bathroom.
Okay, you want to do it before?
Yeah, just let me film it real quick. So the interesting thing in here, it looks like she's already started on the sink. The tub doesn't look too bad. You haven't cleaned anything. I mean, there's a little stuff down in the bottom, but when you feel the walls, they feel kind of rough. Excuse me. That's because there's paint on it. So that's the hidden things that people don't see when you do post-construction. All right, Tasha, thanks. Then there's another room here. That's my bucket. I'm getting ready to start on windows. And it has a closet. And then there's this last bedroom over here. It's got some interesting shapes in the walls and the ceiling. So we're getting ready to get to work, and we'll come back later and show you the finished product. So I know y'all like to see dirty pictures. So here's the inside of that oven. It has a self-cleaning feature, but there's still some debris. It looks like there's some baked on grease on the glass. And then look inside these cabinets. Aren't they nasty? But I'll get them all clean, I promise, and I'll show you what they look like after. Okay, so we're done upstairs, and I'll clean the windows, and now it's pouring down rain on them. So, well, I guess they'll be streaky, but we got pretty little carpet lines in here, so we're not gonna walk in there anymore. Here's the bathroom, so much better. Here's the toilet. See how pretty, nice and shiny everything is, nice and clean. Tasha did a good job. All the soaps come, and there was paint residue on here. That's all gone now, all gone. So it looks so much better. There's my vacuum cleaner. I'm almost done up here. Look how pretty. Looks so nice. I'm not gonna walk on it now. And there's the window. All the windows are done, but it's raining, so they're gonna be speckled, but that's okay. Okay, we are done. Do you see the shine? And I know, right? We worked hard today. But look at this. People that like those dirty pictures, how much better is that? Does that look nice? It's not perfect, but it's better. And check this out here. Ta-da! All nice and clean. told you I'd come back with more. Okay, so I love it when it shines. Look at that. You can see the lights there on the counter. And the sink is shiny. And all the junk that was on the floors is up. I'm going to try not to walk in her wet spots. So I'm going to go around this way just so I can show you one last bathroom. There's my trusty dusty, very dusty actually right now, Shark vacuum cleaner. Here we go, see? How nice does that look? And the windows, and it's still raining. Tasha cleaned this bathroom, and I don't know if you remember what a mess it was, but look how pretty it is. It looks so nice now. It looks so nice. And this, let me turn the light on for you. So, surprise, surprise, there was that black smudge there. We started getting it up and found out, somebody patched a crack on the bottom there. So I had to call the property owner and have him be made aware of that is not good. We took the patch off, but it was ugly anyway, so maybe they can do something prettier. And here's that toilet. This was an ugly toilet. This is no longer an ugly toilet. It is a pretty toilet. So, turn this light off, pick up my pencil that I just dropped, sorry guys, and turn this light off. Tasha's almost done mopping. Look at her work. We're out of here. Thanks for stopping by. What'd you say?
We got it, though.
Yeah, we got it. All right. Thanks for watching.